Alibaba's latest launch, Qwen 3, has set the stage for a new era in AI competition, boasting models that rival and, in some cases, surpass the best available from Google and OpenAI. Available for download under an open license, the Qwen 3 models span a wide range of sizes, from 0.6 billion to 235 billion parameters, offering flexibility and high performance. These models are built to deliver hybrid reasoning capabilities, combining rapid responses with in-depth analysis. Their ability to seamlessly integrate reasoning and non-reasoning modes gives them an edge in problem-solving efficiency. This innovation, along with Alibaba's hybrid design and specialized expert models, positions Qwen 3 as a formidable player in the global AI landscape. As Chinese AI models like Qwen 3 continue to evolve, they put increasing pressure on American labs and have led to stricter policies on chip exports, signaling a shift in the global AI power dynamics. So, what exactly is powering this AI juggernaut from Alibaba? Let's unpack the story behind Qwen 3 and its sibling, Qwen 2.5 Max. Models crafted to go head-to-head with the biggest names in the business, not just by brute force, but with some smart design choices. The Qwen 3 family is built like a ladder. It starts small, with a 0.6 billion parameter model for lightweight tasks, and climbs all the way up to the massive 235 billion parameter beast, known as Qwen 3 235B A22B. That's the kind of size you'd expect from top-tier rivals like GPT-4 and Gemini 1.5 Pro. But sheer size isn't the full story here. What really makes Qwen 3 impressive is how intelligently it uses those parameters. Instead of always going full throttle, Qwen 3 can shift gears. For something simple like fetching a recipe, it goes into fast think mode to get you a quick answer. But when you throw a tough coding problem or a complex math proof its way, it ramps things up and dives deeper, with slow, deliberate reasoning. You can even tweak the reasoning budget, which means you get predictable performance without burning through compute power unnecessarily. It's a clever system, especially for developers who need that balance between speed and depth in real-world apps. And then there's the mixture of experts design, or MOE for short, which shows up in some of the larger Qwen 3 models. Imagine a hospital where, instead of calling in every doctor for every patient, you send the case to a specialist. That's MOE in action. Only a portion of the network activates depending on the task, making it way more efficient. Alibaba hasn't revealed exactly how many experts are involved, but this approach is what allows them to scale up without blowing up the cost. A huge win for cloud deployments. Now let's talk data. Qwen 3 was trained on an eye-watering 36 trillion tokens. That's more than double what GPT-3 had. Think of tokens like building blocks of language, and 36 trillion of them? That's like building the Great Wall of text. The data covers textbooks, QA sets, code, multilingual text, and even AI-generated content. The result? A model that understands 119 languages and doesn't get lost the moment you step outside English. That kind of multilingual fluency is becoming more crucial as generative AI aims to reach a truly global audience. Of course, numbers are great, but what really matters is performance. And Qwen 3 shows up strong across a variety of benchmarks. On Codeforces, a competitive programming site, the Qwen 3 235B A22B model actually beats OpenAI's O3 Mini and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro. That's a big deal, considering both of those are tuned to perfection. It also shines on the AIM benchmark for math and BFCL for logical reasoning, two areas where many models still stumble. Even the most accessible version, Qwen 3 32B, pulls its weight. It outperforms OpenAI's O1 model on Live Code Bench, a test designed to simulate real-world coding challenges. This means that even without the top-tier version, developers can tap into elite performance. And here's another fun trick Qwen 3 has up its sleeve. It knows when to call for help. It can be trained or prompted to reach out to external tools, databases, or APIs, making it incredibly handy for enterprise use where up-to-date or private info is a must. Its instruction-following abilities have also been dialed in. So if you need something formatted just right, like in YAML or JSON, Qwen 3 gets it done without a hitch. Now, if you thought that was the end, think again. Alibaba didn't stop at Qwen 3. They pushed further with Qwen 2.5 Max, and this one's even more intriguing. Although they haven't spilled all the details, what we do know is that it's outperforming some serious heavyweights: GPT-4, DeepSeek v3, and Meta's Llama 3.12405B. This isn't just another upgrade, it's Alibaba firing back fast in a high-speed AI arms race. The timing is also interesting. Qwen 2.5 Max dropped right after DeepSeek R1 made headlines with its Mo-E model, an ultra-low price of just 55 cents per million input tokens, compared to OpenAI's $15. Talk about shaking things up. But here's the twist. Despite all this technical progress, China faces major hardware restrictions. Thanks to US sanctions, they can't easily get their hands on the latest NVIDIA training chips like the H100. So how are they pulling it off? It looks like they're doubling down on smarter model design, better efficiency, and possibly using domestically produced chips. The takeaway? The future of AI leadership might not just be about who has the biggest GPU farm. It might come down to who can innovate smarter and deploy faster. While Alibaba's Qwen 3 models are making waves in the AI space, it's clear that the competition is only getting more intense. With new players like DeepSeek challenging even the biggest names in AI, staying ahead of the curve is more important than ever. So, what do you think about this AI showdown? Will Alibaba's rapid innovation rewrite the rules of global AI dominance? Or is this just another round in an ongoing tech tug-of-war? Let us know in the comments.